Stop! You have been believing these wrong medical facts. You don't need antibiotics for fever. Most fevers are viral and antibiotics don't work on virus. Brushing harder cleans better. No, it only damages enamel and gentle brushing is safer. Cracking knuckles does not cause arthritis. It's just gas bubbles popping and not bone damage. Salt water doesn't cure all throat infections. It only gives relief but doesn't treat bacterial infection. Want some more medical truths? Subscribe to MedCompanion.